Hey guys, let me show you how you can check your Poco F8 Ultra real charging speed. So as you can see, in my case, it actually drops from 60 watts to the 50 right now for some reason, probably to the battery heat up. But you can actually check this information by downloading this application from the Google Play Store just completely for free. So go to the Play Store, click on the search and input AQ battery phrase. So this is the application that I can recommend you to download. There's also a lot of different applications that you can get if you want, if you don't like, for example, interface of this one. And as you can see here, we can find, so that's how it looks in my case. I'm actually using the charger with 125 watts and I can feel the heat up of the device, yeah. And the temperature reaches 40 Celsius, so this is the reason why my charging speed drops like this to cool down the battery, but it actually reaches the highest speed of 60 watts. And yeah, that's how I can actually check this. I hope you find it useful. If you have some other, if you are looking for some other information about this smartphone, or for example, if you have some better applications, you can mention them in the comments. I hope you find it useful and please hit the like button.